I have month-wise 3 sheets, January, February, March, in which I have region-wise, product-wise sales data. My task is to create a summary sheet in which whenever I change or select any sheet name for a particular month, I will get total sales and region-wise sales automatically. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe it, like the video, do your comment and share this video on your social media. Let us begin with this example. For achieving this, we will use SUMIF with indirect. We will also use format text function. Let us begin. We will type our function over here, equal SUMIF, and then we will select the range. So range is in January sheet. Select this one because our region is written over here, but we will make this range as constant because we want to copy this range later on, and we will make the constant b1 b4 also. And then in the last we will press comma and we will select the criteria that would be based on b8. Now press comma and select the sum range. Close the bracket, press enter. We got the sum of region 1. Now use equal text function for getting the text of this function, but we need to remove something. We need to remove summary sheet name from this function, and we will make the constant of this range as well. Now you need to copy this formula and paste it here, and it is calculating for the sum of region 2, but we want to take the reference of C4 using the indirect function. So in the first, come here, remove Jan and type indirect, then give the reference of this cell, make it constant, and as ampersand, then double quotation mark, and put the double quotation mark over here as well, and then remove Jan from here and type, sorry, we need to close the bracket as well, this one. And now I need to insert indirect here as well. Then I will give the reference of this cell, I'll make it constant, then ampersand, start double quotation mark, or in the end I will close the double quotation mark and closing the bracket as well, and now press enter. We got our answer. Now copy this and now paste this in all 3 cells. And now let me check in this list. Click on February. Yes, we got this answer. So now we can check 455. I'll do the sum. Yes, correct. We got our answer. So hopefully guys, you understood this concept of using SUMIF with indirect function for making dynamic report. And finally I will tell you how I created this drop down list as well. I used a separate worksheet called list in which I typed the sheet name January, February and March, and I used the list function. Come to the data tab, come to the data validation and select the list from here and give the reference of the source, this one, and press OK, and you got this drop down list, and you can update later on whenever you add any more sheets in here. But one thing you should remember, that the data of region, product and the sale must be the same in all the sheets because it's constant. We are using the reference of the month, and which is the sheet name here, and other all columns are same like C4 and like B column is used for reason and D column is used for sales. Hope you take care of this. If you have any query regarding this formula, feel free to the comment and watch our other tutorials which is coming on your top or right hand side. Watch these and share on social media as well. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please come back again. Thank you.